अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
कैसे हो?
ठीक।
What's your name?
My name is Abdurrahman Rais.
जनता आ रही है।
I pledge for green environment. I will do my part to protect the earth. I will take care of the green of the environment. I will never litter and will try to recycle to reduce the waste. I will encourage others to take care of the earth as well.
Basically, can I know your name first of all?
My name is Zishan Shah. I'm here to on behalf of WWF and FM 91.
So basically, how are you doing?
Great. This is a great initiative, and especially when it comes to waste management, climate change, a lot of effects in terms of society. The recycling part, what you're doing here, in terms of Tetra Pak and the Green Earth, is again a very good collaboration, and people need to know more about how it's recycled and what kind of products you're offering, at what price. All these things are really important. So it's good to be here and good to know more about it. From the stalls.
So do you want to give a short message to the public?
save a lot of stuff. Don't throw away the stuff. Don't waste stuff on the streets. Make something out of it. Build it into something useful. And sustainability, like we were talking earlier, is the next big thing. Very important for Pakistan. Very important for the people. Very important for the children. So I think it's a mutual effort. The government, the private funding agencies, as well as the NGOs, and of course WWF is all about nature. And nature is the pledge. Stay close to nature and save the earth. Make our cities more cleaner and build something useful. That's what I'll say.
Thank you very much, sir. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Sir, आपका name?
My name is Shahid Khan.
How are you doing?
Fine, great.
Good. So, sir, I want to ask your view about our project, if you can let me know.
Well, it's just a matter of awareness for the people of Pakistan that how much garbage is produced and we just throw it away.
Yeah, exactly.
I'd like to emphasize upon the plastic materials. It chokes our sewerage system and everything because plastic never dies.
Yeah.
If we don't throw it like that and turn the things molded, this type of furnitures, so that would be very good for our country to get rid of the huge amount of wastage that is produced and type of amazing things that these people have made.
Yeah.
So I'm very highly impressed, like of my own interest. I've been doing things like that at home. It was a great matter of pleasure and concern for me. For this, I have taken some of the rich materials which I'll go through and try to learn how can I save garbage and turn them into manufacturers.
Okay, so do you have any message for the public?
Yes, public, don't throw away your garbages, at least store them, and government should also try to collect those garbages from the home and make the people know about this because the awareness is the knowledge.
Exactly.
So the people, if they are aware of the things, I don't think nobody will throw away anything.
Exactly.
Rather, you should buy garbage from homes and send it to the factories and make these amazing things.